Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. Alston and Byrd is a proud, longtime supporter of the National Bar Association Commercial Law Section, and we're pleased to partner with the NBA CLS for this afternoon's CLE, What to Expect When You're Expecting an MDL. We've got a lot to cover, so each of the panelists is going to quickly introduce themselves and talk a bit about their MDL experience. My name is Carrie Dawson. I'm a partner in the Litigation and Trial Practice Group here in Atlanta. I also chair our class action and multi-district litigation practice team. I served as lead counsel for Toyota and the unintended acceleration MDL, lead counsel for Mazda and the Takata airbag MDL, lead counsel for Porsche and the Volkswagen clean diesel MDL, co-lead counsel for the Home Depot and the Home Depot data breach MDL, and I'm currently representing an opioid ingredient manufacturer and the National Opiate Prescription MDL. Darren?
Thanks, Carrie. My name is Darren Dickerson, and I'm also a partner in the Litigation and Trial Practice Group here in Atlanta. I focus my practice as well on class action litigation, in particular in the telecommunications and privacy spaces. I've worked on a number of MDLs in the automotive, in the product, and in the privacy space, and I'm excited to have this conversation with you today. Liz?
Good afternoon. Liz Broadway Brown. I am also a partner here at Alston and Byrd in our Litigation and Trial Practice Group in Atlanta. I focus my practice as well on class action litigation in the healthcare, privacy, and financial services spaces. I started working on MDLs when I first joined the firm, both with Carrie and Darren on the Toyota unintended acceleration cases, and since then have worked on several MDLs, both in the healthcare and on the Home Depot litigation with Carrie. Bria?
Hello, my name is Bria Stevens. I'm an associate in the Alston and Byrd Litigation and Trial Practice Group. I've had the pleasure of working with all three of these panelists, and my most significant MDL experience has been working with Carrie on the opioid MDL.
All right, Darren, take us away.
Thanks so much, Carrie. We're really excited to discuss a topic that is becoming more and more relevant to our practices in particular, and certainly in the litigation space, and that is multi-district litigation. On a base level, an MDL is a procedural mechanism that allows consolidation of civil cases in federal courts from all over the country to be centralized in a single court for pretrial proceedings. It was created in 1968 by Congress and is codified at 28 U.S.C. 1407. And the purpose is essentially to avoid duplication and discovery, prevent inconsistent pretrial rulings in cases that have similarities, and to conserve resources of parties and witnesses. So at a high level, MDLs really involve consolidation of cases with one or more common factual elements or issues. And they're tried at the pretrial level by a single federal district court judge for all pretrial and discovery processes. If a case isn't dismissed or ultimately settled during the consolidated proceedings, then it's transferred back to the original court for trial.